Hello, this is Zafar with PROTech. In this video demonstration, I'm going to show you how to create your very first virtual machine using Hyper-V. So to follow up on this video, you must watch the previous video I uploaded. So then you should be able to continue on. So simply click Tools on the top right, and then find Hyper-V Manager. And then this is my the Hyper-V Manager here. So the Hyper-V is installed. Now we need to create a virtual machines. To do that, simply click New and then click on Virtual Machine, and you have this wizard come up. Okay, so at this screen, simply click Next, and it's asking you for the virtual machine name. You could leave it as it is, or you could name it. So I'm gonna name it something which makes sense here. So I'm gonna name it ZMPT underscore virtual machine 1. So as we progress, we're gonna be using 1, 2, 3 if you need to. Okay, and that's all we need here. So click Next. And then you have a generation page comes up. So select the default one, generation 1. Okay, for the generation 2, you could read through this. So this is more of a virtual machine generation, provides support for features such as a secure boot and all that. So it essentially really acts like as if you installed on hardware which is designed for Hyper-V. So but I'm going to select generation 1 and click Next, and then here is going to ask for the startup memory. So in there I'm going to just type 32. That should be fair enough for it, and then click Next, and it comes up with the configure networking. So at this point, so I have to create a VLAN here. So at this moment, I'm just gonna click Next, and then so it has all the settings here. So the virtual machine is being saved at this location here. It's essentially a file. It's not actually a virtual machine or hard disk itself. So it's essentially a file here. So it's gonna use up about a default of 127 gigabytes. So that is what it automatically calculates and give it to you. The maximum you could use on a virtual machine is 64 terabyte. So what this is essentially a virtual hard disk. So let me go into my computer and take a look at what's the size of my hard drive here. So my hard drive is about 500 GB. It's plenty of space there. But I'm going to stop here for a moment and really concentrate here on the size, because a virtual machine size you could change it later on also. So moving along, I think I'm going to leave it as default here. Click Next, and then select the option that says install operating system later. Okay, so click Next and then click Finish. So it's going to take a moment, and then create your VM right there. Okay, so there it is. We have a virtual machine. VM short for virtual machine it's ready. So right now it's like a blank computer. It has nothing on it. So in the following videos, I'll show you how to install the operating system literally, and use this as of just any other computer. So one thing you need to notice, remember, is any virtual machine you install, it is another license. So make sure you have enough licenses whenever you install any operating system on this. So stay tuned for next videos. I'm going to show you how to configure dynamic memory. Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel as well as visit my website zmprotech.com.